Alright guys, we are going to talk about CapCut. Let me put my headphones on real quick. Alright, that should be better. So for CapCut, I've used CapCut quite a few times actually. Because, it's simplified, and basically you're talking about using a template, and then it tells you to put in 1 or 2 photos. If you're using CapCut, you can use it on all your social media for all your videos. For motivational quotes and like inspirational sayings and stuff like that. If I would like to start to do a series specifically on CapCut itself, they approved me for their affiliate marketing program, which means I'll get some form of commission if somebody purchases the upgraded version of CapCut. We're going to try it out and actually see if it's worth it. As you can see here, I do not have the upgraded version at all. So I'm not even in there. So we're going to try it out with the free version and see what we can do with it. My goal would be to, in the time that you're following me, and I hope that, I get a couple comments and people that are interested in this. If you're interested in this and learning how to use CapCut, let's go over the graphic design side of it. Let's start to make our own templates like I did on the last video that I made, which is, basically my first major YouTube video for this channel. But we can go over and learn how to do that and where to put that stuff in at, and we can start making our own templates, and then those templates will get your channels more views based on if it's attached to your channels, like a YouTube channel, a TikTok channel, Instagram or Facebook channel, which I just saw a notification that you can't do an instant upload to Facebook any further because of their algorithm for Facebook groups or something like that. I'm not sure what that is. I honestly don't know the details to it yet. It doesn't matter to me because generally I download my videos to my phone or my computer, both actually for me, and then I upload them separately with a software to send to all of them, and then I put all the same keywords in them to see how they work. I put a different background in each one of them to see how they work, and then I, do the split testing to see if, this intro or that intro works better than the other one and how many views you get for it. So I would like to maybe make one here real quick just to play around. See, we'll do logo reveal. And what we'll do is we'll open File Explorer here, and we will throw my logo in there, WebCam Graphics. We'll throw it into one of these videos here. Let's see, clean and minimalist. See if we can find something cool. Because these could be YouTube intro videos as well, if you really wanted them to be. I really like the red and the blue separating like that. So let's go ahead and do this. Use this template. Let's see what happens here. And again, the link for CapCut will be below if you're not using CapCut currently. I generally use Adobe, but I'm always open to new software. Sometimes I use Edit Chimp or whatever it is on Windows because it's a little bit easier. So let's see, because I'm on the PC right now, so we're going to see. We're going to replace this with this graphic. And so I've already removed the background on this one. So let's go ahead and take a look. Start at the beginning. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Let me turn this volume off so that it doesn't continue to interrupt. So we are going to try to export it and see what it does. Let's just download it. Let's do 1080p because I generally make I'll put it at 60 frame rates because that's generally how I record all my videos, so I can blend them in with it. So if you want to download a video, try to make sure that you match your quality for all your different videos, because if you got 10 different videos that you're plugging into the same long video and they're all different formats, it's going to take forever to render. So we're going to go ahead and export it. We'll try a couple more of these. These are pretty quick, actually. And my internet is running super fast right now, so we'll have to see how this goes. Let's throw that up there real quick. I mean, my internet's running super fast, so I wonder how long this would take to download if, you know, your internet was running slow. I don't know if I like that. I'm guessing that if you were to just upload it directly to social media, it would be a lot faster. Looks to be frozen. We're going to hide that for a minute. Go back to templates again. So they got a similar template section here. They got a For You template here. New Year's. These are the hot ones, apparently. Now CapCut is beneficial in one aspect, 100% beneficial in one aspect. CapCut is directly, I don't know if they're tied to TikTok, but TikTok does pump up CapCut quite a bit. So I do believe that, you know, if your TikTok is at a dead end or a stall point, that if you were to swap over to CapCut and decide to use it, you might have a better result. Maybe make a couple videos with CapCut, and then I got my videos rolling again. I was down to, I don't know, 50 views per video, and it was like I was just stalled out. And then I made a couple CapCut image videos where you just upload a couple images, and then after that I uploaded my regular graphics that I normally do, a couple duets and a couple stitches, and it got my video views rolling again pretty quick. So I don't know where that went to. I'm going to guess that we did not select an output area. Let me pull this over here. Okay, so basically when you export that, it saves it to CapCut, is what it looks like. So then I'll download it directly to my PC, see what that looks like, and then I'll open it up and we'll see. And I like it. I like it. That is quick and efficient and easy for a YouTube intro. I mean, it takes you seconds. I mean, we literally just did it in seconds. So if you guys want to see more CapCut, make sure you guys use my link down below to get into CapCut. It'll be the first one right below my description. And then, you know, I got all my stuff down there, the affiliate links for anything that I'm using currently. I don't have an expensive PC. I think it was like $290, and it's a little mini PC, but it works really well. I run Premiere Pro, Photoshop, After Effects, and everything on it, and it works great. I have the link for that down below, and then I run a Logitech HD 1080p camera, and it works pretty well for me. And my keyboard is probably my favorite. But if you guys are interested in more CapCut stuff, like how to use CapCut to make more content other than just TikTok, you know, let me know. Comment down below what you want, and I'll use those suggestions to make some more videos, and I can knock them out pretty quick. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Nice and quick. Alright, you guys have a good one.